Now, pandemonium broke out at Karnataka Legislative Council as Deputy Chairman S.L. Dharmegowda was literally pulled down from his seat and the House was adjourned sine die without taking up any business. All this was done as BJP's no-confidence motion was pending against the Chairman, Pratap Chandra Shetty. BJP and the JDS MLCs met the Governor, requested him to convene another day of session right away and take up the no-confidence motion. However, Congress says that it's illegal for the Deputy Chairman to take over the chair without him being asked to do so by the Chairman himself. Now, they threatened to sit on all-night dharna if a new session is called in. Due to the early adjournment, the BSY government couldn't table the contentious anti-cow slaughter bill in the council. Both the Congress and the JDS have said that they will strongly oppose the bill. Remember, the bill has already been in the Assembly last week.
JDS supported Bharatiya Janata Party. They have given open statement. They have given it in writing. Last time itself, we have moved the no confidence motion against the chairman. So now he has now moral right to come and sit in the chair. That's why we requested Deputy Chairman to come and sit in that chair. But today, what has happened, everybody knows. It's shame in the part of the Congress people and also Chairman. So I will I will request Congress leaders, at least now, please realize the reality and ask your Chairman to resign immediately.
आज प्रजाप्रभुत्व को तिलांजलि कर दिया विधान परिषद में कांग्रेस लोगों ने। डायरेक्टली ऐसा तरफ गुंडागिरी फर्स्ट टाइम कर्नाटक में चल रहा है। हम सबको बहुत ये देखकर बहुत दुख हो गया है। वो स्पीकर प्रताप चंद्र शेट्टी अच्छा आदमी है, उसको भी एक कलंक आज मिल गया है, ब्लैक मार्क। इसलिए वो भी इमीडिएटली रिजाइन देना है और डीके शिव कुमार और सिद्धरामैया कर्नाटक के लोगों के साथ क्षमा मांगना है, ये मेरा डिमांड है।
The BJP and the JDS did a total unconstitutional work. When the bell was going on, the deputy chairman sat on the seat of the chairman, and he did not wait for the chairman to come. The government shamelessly wants to carry on the business of the house when it is not in order. The Congress leaders prevented the same. Anybody doing anything now is totally unconstitutional in the house.
Well, there you have it, the visuals there, quite some dramatic visuals coming in from the Karnataka Council, the session that was convened, but eventually right after the ruckus was dismissed. Here, visuals coming in of the Congress MLC is literally pulling away the chairman from carrying out his duties, saying that it's illegal for him to be seated there and carrying out business. Here, this came in right before a no-confidence motion from the BJP was passed. Even before that, it seems like things got out of hand and a literal scuffle that it led to eventually, with the cops coming in, security officials trying to stop the fight, and the session adjourned.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.